Good morning, it's day 2 on the Carnival Valor. We're just walking around. We had breakfast earlier. Did it fall over? Oh, I see it. Oh!
Making up a kid from Louisiana, probably. Just walking away with the Carnival wings on the street. Good job, good job.
We just got done with the office trivia. You knew more than me, probably.
No, I actually didn't.
I knew some of the answers, like they asked what is Angela's cat's name. That's Bandit. And I'm just enjoying it's called a mocha chocolate getaway, and it's really good.
Very good.
But yeah, we're just enjoying our time around the ship. For now, we're enjoying the view of the Grand Line. We should be approaching Whiskey Peak soon.
One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. 1, 2, left foot, 2 stumps. 1, 2, slide to the left. Slide to the right.
Just got done with day 2 of blackjack. Lost 10. I put 40 in, walked away with 30, so it was alright.
You played for a long time though. I'd say you played for about 20-ish minutes.
Yeah,
so.
That's what it's about. Let's go! Hurry up! What are you doing? Oh! Oh! It was down! It hit the ground before he freaking caught it.
It did?
It did, yeah. Incomplete. Hey, we've had a very busy day on ship, but it's time for dinner. And we both got the jumbo shrimp and fish cake. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Cheers.
It's good.
It's the next day. We just docked in Cozumel, and unfortunately it's raining, but that's all right. It's your first time in Mexico.
Yeah.
Yeah, very excited. But we're gonna try to see if we could get a taxi to this place called Paradise Beach, because we heard it was really nice and it has like all you can eat food and drinks and private beach and stuff, so it's gonna be cool. That one back there?
Yeah, because 6 for 20?
So you could get 6 shirts for only 20 bucks. That's crazy. It's a good deal. Cheers.
Cheers.
The drinks are as strong as the vibes right now. We made the right choice in coming here. All you can eat, buffet, open bar, and
Not even buffet, like we get served.
yeah, we just like place the order and then they have like servers walking around all over the place. We ask what we want and they bring it to us, and that's amazing.
There's a pool too.
Yeah, pool back there, and then the beach right here, and free Wi-Fi. And the rain stopped, knock on wood. Too far. We're doing a drinking game where anytime someone walks by in a hat, we have to take a sip. All right. Cheers.
Wait, that already happened?
Yep, he just walked by. Cheers. Hey.
Hi.
Oh, you guys had fun on stage, huh?
Oh my gosh. I was like,
You were great.
Those are the nice ladies from breakfast.
Oh. I think it counts. All right.
It hasn't even been a minute. All right, guys. Oh my gosh.
This guy's walked back and forth like 3 times, and that
Stop
means
walking.
Oh, here comes another one. It's a
2?
double sip. Yeah.
You can't say what we're drinking.
Yeah, pina colada and
Miami Vice. Next drink, either a blueberry daiquiri or a strawberry daiquiri.
Now we're gonna have to order it soon because there's another one. Okay, cheers. Does that count? That's a waiter.
Do you count waiters?
Yeah. It started raining a little bit, but it's okay because we're underneath our beach chair and beach umbrella rental.
And plus, look at me. Look at me. Do you think I care?
I mean
like,
yeah, so at least it's not like super sunny because then you're not gonna like burn.
yeah, so, and it's warm enough. We'll go in the pool. Huh? This is my kind of weather.
If you remember from the last time I was in Mexico, we burned pretty bad, so this is better.
This is fine.
And that guy just walked past again with a hat.
What is he
Cheers.
doing?
I need another drink.
You finished?
Yeah.
Is it going?
Yes.
All right, so after this, well, after we're done swimming and having an awesome time, we're gonna go back to the place and get some t-shirts.
Oh yeah.
Maybe some for family.
Mm-hmm.
Be ready.
It's starting to rain more and more, but it's all right because we just got our fourth drink, right?
Fourth drink.
We actually ordered these for each other by surprise. So I got her a tequila sunrise and you got me a
Melon ball.
melon ball. And you know, I gotta say, when I was in Jamaica, the melon ball was not my favorite one.
Oh, damn.
But
guess what? I'm excited to try it, so if he doesn't like it, we can switch. Let's switch.
yeah, I would say it's better here and it's stronger.
Good.
Thank you, yes. Whew.
If you don't like it, I'll keep this.
No, I like it. Why, do you like that better than what I got you?
No, I like the tequila sunrise, but this is fun.
All right, so the waiter stopped by and asked if we needed anything.
no.
We said no. It's like, no, we're good for now. And he's like, 2 tequila shots? And we're like, he's like, 2 tequila shots. And he just went ahead and brought them for us. So here we go.
I'm getting my taster ready.
Yeah, okay. Cheers.
It's water, it's just water.
That's what he said, Mexican water. Cheers.
Cheers.
Whew. All right. Let's go swimming. Whew.
Wait. Hello. It's vacation. Don't spill my drink. I'm sleepy. Although it's cloudy, this is my favorite kind of weather. I won't get burned. I will live to see another day. So, just want to say that I'm getting a ride around town on Jason. And after this, yep, he says thumbs up. After this, we are going to get tacos. Yep, and he says thumbs up for that. How are you, Jason?
Just got done swimming and we ordered tacos. I got the mahi-mahi taco and she got the shrimp tacos and a side of cheese fries. So we got more lunch. I got a grilled mahi-mahi and
Spicy shrimp pizza.
spicy shrimp pizza.
Let's go.
And of course another round of Miami Vices.
Dude, those are so good. I've never had a Miami Vice before.
You've
but
not?
No.
Yeah, it's good.
Time.
It's dinner time later that night and we spent basically the rest of the day just swimming and having more drinks, and the sun has really tired us out. As soon as we got back to the ship, we just passed out in bed. And the ship is like very rocky tonight. It's because it started to like seriously downpour once we got back on. And you can like literally feel this is probably the rockiest it's ever felt.
Yeah.
But we have a lot of things tonight still, like Guess That Song and the 80s Glow Party, which is the same party from the last ship when I won that free t-shirt. So we're gonna go to that.
All right, here we go. Last song.
that was really fun watching people guess that song. So now we're gonna go up to the Lido deck because the 80s glow party is happening. But of course, I need this. Remember this shirt from the last vlog? Of course you do. They gave it to me for free because my dance moves were so awesome. So the shirt had to make a comeback, and so will the dance moves. We will rock you!
Everybody sing the last part.
What's your name?
Jason.
Jason. Everybody say hi, Jason.
Hi, Jason.
Jason, where you from?
Chicago, bear down.
Chicago. Next side. Next side. Next side. Now shimmy your shoulders.
Go, Jason.
Who said between 6 and 7? 6, 7, my foot.
One of the largest populations of crew members come from the Philippines.
Mabuhay!